Well, hello you guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michael B. In this channel, we do car content and we do a lot of POV drives. This is my 2012 Audi S4. And yeah, this is the car I use to do POV drives. And I show you guys about the car, and I also do modifications on it. So welcome guys. On today's video, we're doing a short POV drive on my way to work. So you guys can see it's a little foggy out there. And yeah, for today's video, what we're gonna do is record this short little drive. I got about a 7-minute drive with my driving. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope everyone is doing well. This is gonna be a short video. I had a long video that I wanted to make for you guys, but don't have time to do it because I'm working too much. So I'm just gonna do a short one today and then do the rest, the other one another day, and edit the other video some other day. Right now I'm trying to get the best angle. I'm gonna mount the GoPro here at some point. The sunroof is, but Alright, you guys, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. So you guys, peace out and God bless.